Good morning, gurus. A little bit before sunrise. I hope you're having an amazing start to your morning. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin, Ethereum. I'm going to show you my trades. My account now 709,000. Big congratulations. Tesla also pumping. Hit the subscribe button, smash up thumbs up button, turn on the bell. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're jumping into technicals. World up 5.9%, MCRT 4.6%, Nvidia 3.9%, Pocket 2%, Solana 4.3%, Tesla 1.7%, Uni 1.7%, Bitcoin 64,400, total market cap 2.2 trillion, 1.5%, Ethereum 1%, Doge 1%, Nasdaq slightly up. Everything on my watch list, everything is green. Big congratulations to all of you. Bitcoin 64,398. We go into the weekly time frame. Let's look on the monthly. On the monthly, we have 6 days left, and looking like a very bullish candle on the monthly candle. A bullish Japanese candle. It had a wick down, and it's coming back up, almost a hammer candle. Volume is strong on the month. Stochastic still heading up. Squeeze mob still green. Let's go on to the weekly. On the weekly, huge pump out of this descending triangle that I've been talking about, where we bought at 52k down here. Builds pressure, breaks out. That's already happening. Stochastic heading up. Volume is strong on the week. Crypto Guru bot fired a blue buy in January 2023. You get it in the crypto mastercourse, jamescryptoguru.com. Still a blue buy now. Still a blue buy, and it's been from 20k to 60k blue buy. Bitcoin indicator bot fired a buy just last week. It fired a buy on the last weekly candle, which is beautiful. Stochastic heading up. Volume looking good. Squeeze breaking out. Let's go onto the daily. Descending triangle played out. As I've been saying, builds pressure, breaks out. We bought it at 52. Trade from yesterday came very close to activating. Came down all the way to 62,639, but our trade was at 62,416. So we missed it by 62,634. We missed it by around $200. But it's okay. Let's see where I would open a trade now. I would pull it onto major support. So I would say major support now is sitting here. Same where I have the trade. 62,416. I would keep the trade open. I would make it a little bit. We'll put it on where it hit yesterday. So that's the trade. Opening 62,636. Stop loss 62,374. Take profit. Target 74k, 76k, 88k, 105k, 160. And the final target of the bull run, October 2025, 269,000. That's the trade I'll take on Bitcoin. And it is breaking out. Also, it's creating this big W formation that I've been telling everyone about as well. W formation like this. Target would be 69k. Which is beautiful. Big congratulations anyone who traded with me. I'm going to show you my Bybit account now. It's $708,000, 11 Bitcoin in this account now, worth of Bitcoin. My Bitcoin trade perfectly playing out. When I sold Bitcoin at 65, then when I bought Bitcoin at 52, sold it up here, bought it down here, and now we're back to where I sold it. How amazing. Look at that. Sold here, bought down here, and now we're back. Funding fee 0.01. My Bitcoin trade $51,826 in the profit, 7.5 Bitcoin. It's a $430,000 trade, but the funding fee, wow, look everyone, the sunrise is starting. Wow. How cool. Beautiful sunrise starting. Okay, let's get back in. Bitcoin trade pumping, almost $52,000 in the profits. And those trades were amazing, my buys and my sells. This is my spot positions. This is my asset breakdown, 7% Ethereum, 28% cash, 19% Bitcoin spot, 18% Doge, 16% MCRT, Uniswap 8%, account 703. This week I'm up from 647 to 708. So I made 53 plus 8. $61,000 this week, which is beautiful. And yeah, that's my breakdown. Those are my trades. Let's look in. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do, go underneath the video. Down below, sign up to Bybit. If you've been losing money in the markets, if you don't know which exchange is the best, if you're not trusting an exchange or if it has high fees, I recommend using Bybit. It's my favorite exchange for trading, lowest fees. They're safe. I've been using it for 5 years. I know the CEO. It's a massive company, second biggest exchange in the world. And take the crypto master course, jamescryptoguru.com, to learn all of this, how to trade everything. You can see some of my students. What's up, James? Keep up your magic. You're a Nostradamus in crypto. This student made 1.4 million. This student made on Ethereum. Here I made one of the 100. This guy made 148k. Bought a Harley Davidson Road King. Took some profits, which is beautiful. Bought your master course. I would say you're a genius. My 2k is now 8k. My over $1 million today because of James. Process of buying $2 million house from your videos. Bought a $500,000 villa. Cool. Congratulations. Let's go into your comments. ICP. Okay, if internet computer token. James, you should do a sale on the courses. Not everyone can afford 333. Obviously, you're not hurting for money. Please and thanks. Good idea. I'll tell the team. They always do giveaways and promotions, so make sure you follow me on all my socials. Anyone who's going to vote for Trump only because he claims to be pro-crypto is a sap. Trump is pro-crypto. So if you like crypto in America, vote for Trump. If you're sick of Bybit being banned, Binance being banned, you're not able to trade, vote Trump. If you're sick of wars, Trump was the only president to not have a war in history. Biden and Harris had 2 wars, Russia and Israel, going on. So if you're pro-Trump, you're anti-war and you're pro-crypto. So Trump equals crypto. Yes, James, remember, no shave until Bitcoin hits 240k. We don't want to jinx it. Funny. Love the videos, brother. You always come through. Thanks, James. You're welcome, Alex. Thank you for your vision. You predicted Tesla will hit 578 after breaking out. Do you have a time scale when it could hit that number? Should we buy now? You have to do your own due diligence, but I showed you where I would open trades. Thanks for everything, James. You're welcome. James, please look at Phil. Yesterday we had automatic algorithms, no paper hands. James, do a technical analysis on Phil. Okay, let's do Phil and Tesla. So let's go over to technicals. Tesla pumping as well today. And yes, the last 3 days, Tesla is up 10%, everyone. And if you're following my videos, I actually tweeted about this on X. So this is the symmetrical triangle that's been building since 2019 on Tesla. This giant symmetrical triangle, as I teach you in the Crypto Master Course and the Stock Guru Master Course, builds pressure, breaks out 70% of the move to the base of the triangle. As I teach you in the courses, all my students know this. The target of the base of the triangle, this distance here, will be the target of the breakout, which happens 70% of the move, which you can see Tesla already breaking out right now. Target is 578. And you can see Tesla already starting to break out. Going on to the 10th of October, we will have the Tesla taxi day. And you can see it's breaking out right now. And we bought it at 141, everyone. If you followed my videos, we bought it at 141. So now we are up 83% since we bought Tesla. And if you think that I'm bullshitting you, go over to X. This is my X. You can follow me. 92,000 followers on X. And you can see here, Tesla 80% since buying, plus 4% yesterday, breaking the symmetrical triangle with target 578. And this was me on the 22nd of April. Adding more into Tesla here. Next support 101. And I added at 141. And I added a huge position there, if you remember. I sold Bitcoin, everything in March, and moved funds over to Tesla. And then we've pumped, which is amazing. Early bird catches the worm. Early bird catches the worm. Beautiful sunrise. Early bird catches the worm. Let's go into more of your... Oh yeah, Tesla, and then it was Fieldcoin. So when will Tesla hit the target? After the breakout, it's unknown, but it usually will... Like once the breakout happens, it can be, there's no certain time that I would say that it takes till the breakout hits. So you can't really predict when it will hit, only that it breaks out 70% of the move, which occurred. So this is 70% of the triangle, right? And we already broke out with that target of 578, which is beautiful. Congratulations, whoever bought at me, 141. If you 83%, that means if you put $100, you now have $183. If you put $1,000, you have $1,830. If you put $100,000, you have $183,000. If you put $1 million, you have $1.8 million. If you put $10 million, you have $18 million with me in April. If you put $100 million, you have $180 million. If you put $1 billion, you have now $1.83 billion. If you put $10 billion, you now have $18 billion. If you put $100 billion, you have $100 180 billion. And if you think you can't put $1 billion into Tesla, you're wrong. You could put 10 billion down here. You could put 100 billion down here, and now you would have 183 billion. Or you could put $100 and you'd have $183. Or you could put $1,000 and you have $1,800. Or you put $10,000, you have $18,000. Or you put $10 million, you have 18 million. Or you put 100 million, you have 180 million. You get the picture. That's why investing is so powerful. That's why my courses are world changing. That's why go underneath the video, take the courses and join all these students under the video. Learn all of this, everyone, because it's it will change your life, just like I changed all of these people's lives, which is beautiful. Filecoin. Let's do file. I don't think I own any Filecoin. It's just been requested by a lot of people the last few days. Let's check out file. I haven't done technicals on this in a while, huh? No, I haven't done technicals. So you can see the floor here on file is $2.70. So we're very close to the bottom here. You can see multiple times it touched here and bounced off. So it touched in August of this year, $2.80. The last time it was $2.80 was June 2023. The last time before that was 22nd of December, FTX crash. Volume is growing on FTX. Stochastic is turning up. All my students, squeeze mob going green. All my students know what this means. Everyone knows what this means. When the volume is increasing, stochastic turning up, it's getting ready for some kind of move. Descending triangle already failed to break out, really. Not so beautiful on that failed breakout. Volume increasing. So if you want to get in, try and get in at $2.80. It could, if there's some kind of sell-off, $3.10 would be also an entrance. Those are the two entrances I would try to take. It seems like there is a strong floor here. So every time it comes to 280, let's set an alert. Every time we come to 280, I'm going to maybe add some to Filecoin, which is beautiful. Let's read comments over on Telegram. There's 196 of you online. World. Someone showing world. What does that look like? What time frame is it? It's on a 4-hour time frame. Massive cup and handle looks like on world. That's what it looks like. I have one question for Guru. Does he believe that altcoins that are oversold right now, like CRV, Sushi Swap, Filecoin, Tezos, 1-inch Gala, Engine, could make 15-20x for bull run next year? Yes, very possible. CRV I like. Sushi Swap I don't like so much because I like Uniswap more. That's why I bought more Uniswap, because Uniswap is the Binance BNB exchange. So it's the BNB swap. Sushi Swap is the BNB swap, which BNB has very little fees. To make a trade on BNB or to swap a token on BNB, you're talking 10 cents. So Sushi Swap can only make 10 cents profit per trade, where Uniswap makes 1% or 0.85% on the trade on Uniswap. But that's Ethereum. So you can have massive fees on Uniswap. So I prefer Uniswap. Filecoin, I just did. I know that it's a decentralized file software like Google Drive, but decentralized. So great idea, can be great. 1-inch, it's a swap like Uniswap. Gala, it's a gaming token. I've been buying MCRT a lot lately. I haven't sold any of my tokens. I seed invested the company. I haven't sold any, but I bought an extra almost 100 million tokens. I bought off the market myself. Whereas my Uniswap, MCRT, 85 million tokens I bought off the market myself recently. So I'm holding, the only gaming token I'm holding in my portfolio on Bybit right now is MCRT, but I have invested in 80 to 100 crypto projects. Gala could be one of them. Engine, it's a very old token. Engine, I haven't seen them building much. Wow, the sunrise looks amazing. Whoa. Cool. Thanks for watching, everyone. Hit the subscribe button, smash up thumbs up, and turn on the bell. Big congratulations, Bitcoin. 83% on Tesla since we bought. Love you all. Have an amazing day. A new all-time high on the account, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.